UNLV says it will reimburse employees who have paid for counseling or other mental health services as a result of the December 6th shooting on campus. The Rebel Recovery Mental Health Reimbursement Program will cover payments made from December 7th, 2023 to January 1st, 2025, or until the funds are exhausted. Those eligible must be active employees at the time of payment. Reimbursable payments apply to the following services: deductibles, co-pays, co-insurance, and direct payments. Funds will be distributed on the 30th of each month. For more information, we will post the story to our website, and that is fox5vegas.com.